Today we discuss science, precious soil, third lesson, precious soil, subtopic, types of soil, subtopic, types of soil. Types of soil has three types. How many types? Three types. First one, sandy soil. First one, sandy soil. Second one, clay soil. Clay soil. Third one, loam soil. These are the three types of soil. Types of soil. Types of soil. First one, sandy soil. Second one, clay soil. Third one, loam soil. First we discuss sandy soil. First we discuss sandy soil. Okay. Sandy soil has sandy soil is mostly found in deserts. DESERTS, deserts and seashore. SHORE, seashore. Sandy soil mostly found in deserts and on the seashore. And sandy particles are big. Sandy particles are big. Sandy particles are big. Okay, sandy particles are the big. These big sandy particles, there is a lot of air in the space between particles, sand particles, space between these particles and sand particles. These particles. Okay. Once again I repeat you. Types of soil. First one, sandy soil. Sandy soil mostly found in deserts and seas places. Next, sandy particles are big. Okay. Sandy particles are the big. And sandy particles, a lot of air in the space between these particles. A lot of air, the space between these particles. Okay. Sandy soil does not hold much water. Sandy soil does not hold lot of water. Or do not observe a lot of water. Okay, can you understand, children? Sandy soil do not observe a lot of water. Once again I repeat you, sandy soil. These sandy soil are mostly found in deserts and seashore. And sandy particles are the big. Sandy particles are the big size. Okay. And there is a lot of air in the space between these particles. And sandy soil does not hold lot of water or do not observe a lot of water. Sandy soil do not observe lot of water. Second type, clay soil. Clay soil is sticky. Clay soil is sticky. It is clay soil is mostly used for used to made pots and toys. Pots and toys. Clay soil is a sticky and mostly used for making pots and toys, and clay particles are very fine. These particles are the very fine particles. Clay particles are the very fine particles. There is no space air. Clay particles, there is no particles. There is no particles. No space for air. Particles, no children. There is no space for air. There is no space for air between the particles. Particles మధ్యలో air కి space ఉండదు. There is no space for air between particles. Okay. The soil can hold. The soil can hold lot of water. Lot of water. Lot of water. Second, I repeat you. Clay soil, it is sticky, and this soil is mostly used to making pots and toys. Clay soil is clay particles are very fine. There is no space for air between the particles. The soil can hold lot of water. Ante the soil absorb the water. Sandy soil do not absorb the water, much water. Sandy soil not absorb the water. Clay soil absorb lot of water. Next, third type, loam soil. L-O-A-M, loam soil. S-O-I-L, loam soil. Loam soil is a mixture of, ante mixer kalipi, okay na, mixture of sand and clay. Both soils mixture of sand and clay. Both soils mix form a loam soil. This loam soil can hold, loam soil and it can hold air and water, both air and water. Okay. Sandy soil only does not hold lot of water. Clay soil can hold lot of water. Next, loam soil, both it can hold air and water. Sandy soil hold air. Clay soil does not hold air. Loam soil it can hold air and water. Sandy soil ఏమో ఓన్లీ ఎయిర్నే హోల్డ్ చేస్తుంది, తక్కువ వాటర్ని అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తుంది. ఓకే. క్లే సాయిల్ ఎయిర్కి డోంట్ స్పేస్ ఎయిర్ బట్ ఇట్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్ అబ్జర్వ్. ఓకే. లోమ్ సాయిల్ బోత్ ఎయిర్ అండ్ water. It can hold air and water. And it has a lot of humus. You know humus. Plants of parts of dead plants and insects are called as humus. Okay. Plants. What is humus? Parts of dead plants and animals called as humus. Okay. This loam is the best soil for plants. Okay, loam is the best soil for plants. Best soil for plants. Loam is the best soil for plants. Why it is best, Nana? It contains air and water. It contains air and water and humus. Okay, loam soil is the best soil for plants. Why it means? It contains air, water and humus. Okay. This humus make makes the soil fertile. Humus makes the soil fertile. Soil fertile. Once again I repeat you, loam soil, mixture of sand and clay. It can hold air and water and it lot of humus. Loam soil have a lot of humus. You know what is the humus? Parts of plants and parts of dead plants and dead animals is called as humus. And loam soil is a best soil for plants growing, and humus makes the soil and fertile. Why it is very best soil in plants? Air, water, humus. These three contains are loam soil. These three contents are having loam soil. Humus makes the soil fertile. Humus makes the soil fertile. Okay, this is the loam soil. Okay, these are the three types of soil. Next, soil and crops. Next, soil and crops. Different soils, different types of crops. Different crop first. Different types of crops grow different soil. Okay, different types of crops grow in different types of soil. Okay, some need sandy soil, some need sandy soil, while some need clay soil and others need loam. Okay, these all types of crops grow better when manure is added. What is the manure, children? Manure contains cow dung and decaying leaves. What is the decaying leaves? Dead and rotting leaves are called as decaying leaves. Okay, manure is added because it is rich in humus and it makes the soil fertile. Okay, manure is added because soil lo మనం manure యాడ్ చేస్తే రిచ్ ప్రోటీన్స్ అంటే మనకి ఫుడ్లో ప్రోటీన్స్ ఎలా ఉంటాయో మెన్యూర్ యాడ్ చేస్తే సాయిల్కి అంత బలం ఉంటుంది అనమాట. ఓకేనా, మెన్యూర్ ఈజ్ యాడెడ్ బికాస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ రిచ్ ఇన్ హ్యూమస్ అండ్ హ్యూమస్ ఈజ్ ఏ మేక్స్ సాయిల్ fertile. Okay, it is a soil and crops. Different types of crops grow in different types of soil. Some need sandy soil, some need clay soil, others need loam. Okay, all types of crops grow better when manure is added. క్రాప్స్ ఎందుకు గ్రో కావడానికి ఏం కావాలి నాన్న అంటే మెన్యూర్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద మెన్యూర్? కౌ డంగ్ అండ్ డికేయింగ్ లీవ్స్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ as manure. You know cow dung? Yes. Decaying leaves means dead and rotting leaves are called as the decaying leaves. Okay na? Next one, manure is added because ఎందుకు యాడ్ చేయాలి మన సాయిల్లో? why it is add manure is added because it is rich in humus and it is makes the soil fertile అవుతుంది కాబట్టి మనం మెన్యూర్ని సాయిల్లో యాడ్ చేస్తే క్రాప్స్ మంచిగా పెరుగుతాయి. ఓకేనా, పంట దిగుబడి అనేది ఎక్కువ వస్తుంది కాబట్టి మనం దీన్ని మెన్యూర్ని యాడ్ చేస్తాం. ఓకేనా, మెన్యూర్ని మనం ఎందుకు యాడ్ చేస్తామంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ సాయిల్, ఇట్ మేక్స్ soil fertile. Okay children, this is the types of soil and crops. Okay, thank you.